screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. So the Hibernate we have gone through is four save operation, insert, update, and delete.
Mhm.
And here we do all this operation using some functions: save function, update function, delete. Now I am for insertion. There is only one option, means save method is there for insert any record into the table. Now for updation, instead of using this function, we can write the SQL query. So just like in JDBC, we need to create object of prepare statement. In the same way, we are creating here object of query. Query is there, and statement dot create query method is there. And firstly, we need to write the SQL statement. So SQL statement is not working on the table. Okay, it's working on the bean class. This is our bean class emp.java. So we will write here. I want to update the record, suppose, and table. Okay. This is the record 222. I want to update the name and salary. So using SQL query, update, and here emp this normally in the JDBC SQL statement is not case sensitive. Okay, you can write in the small letters and capital letter doesn't matter, because SQL language is not case sensitive. But this is not SQL, this is a HQL. So this is not the bean class. This is the bean class name, not table name. Okay. Firstly, I am changing the name of table and bean class. That's why that will be more understandable. So if you want to change the name of, means yesterday which when we executing this code, then it will create a table name exactly same as class name. But if you want to change the class name with some different name, then table annotation is used. Table, then name, uh, name equals to, now table name will be emp master. Okay, so now when we executing this code, then it will create the table with this name emp master. Now I am executing the same operations, save. Yeah. See. So this table annotation used to, if you want to change the table name, means you don't want to create the table name exactly same as bean class name. So we can use table annotation, and here you can make mention your table name. Okay, so it created table emp master and emp underscore master. This is record. I am inserting one more record. One more record. Okay, so 3 record. Now see, table name is emp master and bean class name is emp. Okay, so in the HK statement we never use the table name. So this is a HK statement. I want to update the record of of I want to update e-name and salary of 101. So here HK statement should be update emp set e-name. E-name is not a column name, it's a column name, means instance variable name is e-name and salary. So e-name equals to, in the prepare statement we need to write question mark. Okay, but here we are learning HQL, so instead of question mark we need to write one temporary variable. A is a some kind of variable. and salary equals to colon B, where colon EID equals to colon C. So there is a three variable ABC. We need to pass the SQL statement in this with the parameter of this create query method, and we need to set values. First, A stand for A for the E name. So method name is just like a prepare statement. Query is an alternative of prepare statement. Yeah. So at the place of A, the prepare statement we need to pass the question mark index 1, 2, 3. Okay, but here we need to pass a variable name. So here you can take any name instead of ABC. You can take any name. And here I want to write the name of this name which is coming from HTML form. So name Q dot, then B for the B variable salary is there, and double set double at the place of double dot parse double salary. The place of B, and Q dot set integer the place of C, ID is a EID teaser dot parsed. Okay, so our query is completed. We have passed three values in the place of A, B, and C. Now we need to execute. So method for execution is the same as which is the JDBC. Execute update method is there. It will return the one number of row affected. Execute update, and if x not equals to 0, and success message get updated. Okay, so instead of writing prepare statement, it means prepare statement here queries work as a prepare statement. In the prepare statement we need to pass question mark, but here we will pass colon A is a variable, just like, and at the place of ABC we are passing the values which we want to set. Now code is completed. Executing. So in the ID I will pass the 101, and name and salary, the updated value I will pass from the HTML form. So here we are not writing the table name. Okay, table name is EMP master, and bean class name is EMP. So we always perform the operation on bean class, not table. So 101 new name is okay, data is updated. Let's see. Okay, now generated SQL is it internally converting EMP into the EMP master. Okay, so internally it will, but obviously SQL is working because we want to update the record in database. So database only knows the SQL statement. So internally it convert the HQL statement into the SQL. Okay, here EMP master it automatically write. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so this update statement. Now select. I want to fetch the record. Same HQL query we need to write. So I want to fetch all the record from table. So query will be started from clause. This from, and this is a bean class name EMP. That's it. Okay, it automatically write select star before from. Now there is no any variable in this query, so no need to pass any values, just executing. See, when we using select query in the JDBC, we need to take result set. Okay, so here iterator is a iterative of result set IT, and execute query, instead of execute query we will write here q dot iterate. Iterate method is there. Iterator is the same which we use in the collection framework for fetching the element from array list. While it dot has next method is there, and it will return complete row. Okay, in the result set we will get individually column values, employee ID, name, salary. But here iterator will return single row. Okay, so in the right now in the table three values in the single row, so it directly return the three values: ID, name, salary. Using this next method. Next method will return ID, name, and salary. So it will return three values. So we need to catch these three value into the EMP object. And if you want to bring the ID, name, and salary, then we can call here getter function. EID is to e dot get EID. In the same manner. Tag. Okay. So when I am executing this code, okay, I am not taking the input from HTML file. That's why I am directly executing this servlet. Okay, so this is the output. So again we use here bean class name, not table name. Table name is EMP master. So console, on the console you can see what is the equivalent SQL query generated by Hibernate. This is the select ID from EMP master, ID, name, salary from EMP master table. Okay. So this is the select statement, and delete. Here we can also pass the where condition, where EID is your instance variable name and one variable, and we need to set the values. Q dot set integer. This value. So this ID I will providing from the HTML form, executing form. So I want to fetch 101 record. It's showing 101. Okay, so we can write the where condition in the HQL also. So this is the HQL statement for select. Now for delete. For delete, delete HQL is there. Delete from EMP. And if you want to delete particular record, then you can pass EID here. Only one temporary variable is there, A. So we need to pass the same value. And these are DML operation. So no iterator is there. Same execute update method we need to use. Execute update, data deleted. data deleted first record. Okay. So here the concept is that we never use the table name or column name. Okay, we always perform the operation on bean class and bean class instance variable. Then it will automatically reflect using these annotations. But it will always check what is a column, what is a table name, and what is column name. So using this annotation, it will internally convert HQL into the SQL to perform the operations. Now some more queries related to select statement. Next topic is a Hibernate criteria. Actually, I have one more session from 9. Okay, just now.
Okay.
So we'll continue tomorrow. One more topic is there. Hibernate criteria is there. In which we how to retrieve the record directly without using SQL statement. Some queries is there which is generally used for project development. So I will explain this Hibernate criteria tomorrow session, and after that we will continue that model project which we have done in the JDBC.
Okay.
So we will convert that project into the Hibernate. Okay.
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 Thank you.
So we will continue.